We are Becca and Matt.
And we're full-time travelers working remotely.
We are currently traveling the United States with our 13-foot Burro camper.
And our 2 cats, Grace and Peach.
Right now, we are exploring the Northeast for the summer.
And then heading back west before winter.
Like and subscribe to follow along our journey.
Cheers!
This is the best pizza in the world, huh? Or in the country. Okay, go. Oh, what a sloppy mess. Delicious. Cheese on your beer.
Let's go see if we can sit in the class.
That would be fun.
Where's the bachelorette party?
We're back. We had a lovely time in New Haven for a couple hours. We basically just explored Yale campus and we got pizza, as you saw. It was actually pretty good. We still have some, oh, these flies. The pizza was actually pretty good and we have some leftovers, so I think that's what we're gonna have for dinner. And, oh, hello, Grace. Say hi. What is it? Look at this hammock girl. Are you happy? Oh, don't let her jump from there. And then we stopped at the grocery store on the way home. We got food for the weekend. And now we're just sitting in front of the fire. There's no, in front of the fireplace, but there's no fire. Or fire pit. It's not a fireplace. Anyways, we still pretty much have the campground to ourselves. I mean, there's 1, 2 new campers, but otherwise it's pretty empty, so that's nice. Yeah, tomorrow I think we're gonna go to Providence. That's about an hour east of us, and then that should be fun as well. So anyways, we're just gonna have a chill night here, watch Stranger Things later. I'm addicted. I love that show, although it's pretty scary. And then I always have to go to the bathroom afterwards to go pee before bed, and that walk is kind of terrifying, but I don't do it alone. I make Matt come with me. So anyways, I'm rambling again. That's what I do best. Also, the flies are really annoying, but apparently there's mosquitoes here that have been biting me like all over, and I don't see them or feel them, but then the next day covered in bug bites. So I don't know if it's like in the daytime, like when I'm sitting out here, or at night, but Matt's not been getting bitten, or at least not reacting. So anyways, I got my handy dandy bug spray, but I don't think it's doing anything, probably because it's unscented. So Connecticut is great, bugs are annoying. That's all. The end. Bye.
And cleans. A regular little housewife.
You should just stay.
I'd be tempted, Joyce, except you know you have that
Enough blueberry because Grace is about to eat all of this.
So do Eskimos still live in igloos? Or
Hello, happy Saturday. I haven't talked to you guys today yet, I don't think. We've just been having a lazy day here. We've decided to actually go to Providence tomorrow. So as you recall, yesterday we went to New Haven, and today we decided just to hang out. Matt was working on the video for next week, and I was just relaxing. We just had lunch, and now we're about to go see if we can find this loop that you could do. So we're gonna check that out, see if we can actually find it. Flies are still here. They're relentless. It's like as soon as you open the door, they come in, and they're hard to kill. Plus, you don't really want to smash them because almost anywhere in here is something that I use regularly. But anyways, should get better after we leave in 2 days. But yeah, so let's go see if we can find this loop, but also let me show you these cute little sleepy heads. Makes me happy when they seem so comfortable. They aren't very pleased. We have gotten new campers this weekend, lots of children, more vehicles. You would have thought they weren't used to like complete chaos at Memorial Day weekend. There they didn't seem bothered by the dogs and people, but here, after a week of quietness, suddenly every movement is a sign for panic. But I guess that's a good thing. I'd rather them be a little skittish than to just lay there and act like no one's gonna hurt them. So anyways, that's all our update. Cats are happy, we're happy. We say what?
That's the actual bank where the funds were converted from Swiss francs into US dollars in order to buy the materials sent over to Switzerland for the farmers.
Officially made it to the north. Dunkin' everywhere. Ooh, how's that donut?
You're like Homer Simpson.
You look like Homer Simpson. All right, take two. So there's nothing in my teeth. Yeah. So we haven't spoken to you guys much today, but we just had a lovely afternoon in Providence, Rhode Island. It was about an hour away from our campground, so we figured why not. We're actually going to be driving through there or near there tomorrow, but with the camper, it's usually not very easy to just explore a city real quick. One, to find parking, and then two, worry about the cats sitting in somewhere that might not be very cool. It's crazy how much cooler it is here, like, at this campground than it would be even in a shaded parking lot. I mean, that's not that crazy, but anyways, it was very warm today and we got a little bit too much sun, I think, so both Matt and I are pretty tired. I got myself an iced coffee, as you saw earlier. Matt's taking a nap. I'm just letting the girls wander a little bit. It's our last night here before we make our way to Massachusetts to actually see some of my family. My grandma and my uncles live there, and then so we'll be in Massachusetts for a week, and then we actually will all be going to Maine for another week, and my parents are here as well visiting, so it'll be a nice little family reunion, and I'm sure we'll show that. But yeah, we've had a really nice time in Connecticut. It's beautiful here. Side note, I bought a pair of jeans, like without trying on, at a little market today. Sorry, our car came and freaked the girls out. In Providence, there was like a little market, and they were selling random stuff, and one, you know, they always have like random thrift shop clothes, and I saw a pair of jeans, and I just happened to look, they're American Eagle, and I was like, ooh, and I thought they might be my size, and they looked kind of like they were mom jeans. I'm like, oh, that'd be nice. And there's $30. I was like, oh, that's like cheap. I just spent like way more money on some Madewell jeans, so I was like, oh, some jeans that are only $30. But you know how jeans are, they're very risky to try on or buy without trying on. So anyways, I finally tried them on here. They're not very comfortable, so I think I just wasted $30. Anyways, I'm in a sea of blankets and pillows, but I just wanted to come on here while it's fresh on my mind. Cats can be annoying. Yep, you heard it here first. Most nights, they're passed out. Or maybe we have the fan on and I can't hear them. Either way, for most of this US road trip, they've been quiet at night. But some nights they're not quiet. And they wander and they go into the litter box 300 million times just because I think they're bored, and they scratch, and then they go eat their food, and they take out their food one morsel at a time, and they crunch on it really loudly, and then they're meowing, and then they're at the door scratching, and then they're at the window scratching, and needless to say, I didn't get a good night's sleep last night. And I'm trying to get myself out of bed now so I can let them out and give them outside time like they want. And one of them is laying with me and all nice and cute. She wasn't quite as bad as the other one last night, so I'm forgiving her a little sooner. Anyways, I just want to come on here and say that, just to keep it honest. Then again, so sadly, we're saying goodbye to this beautiful camper here in Connecticut. This has been the longest stay we've had, a full week, and we definitely need to do that more often. It was very nice to just be able to relax and call somewhere our home. It helps that it was pretty quiet too. But we're heading to Massachusetts to go see family, so we're leaving for a good reason, and we're excited. Girls are a little stressed, but otherwise we're pretty much all set and ready to go. So let's go. We're also hungry, so we might have to pick up something for lunch on the way.